The SIDSynth step designer is at the heart of producing the sonic qualities of the SID chip heard in the plethora of Commodore 64 video games of the 1980s. The step designer has been developed to emulate the complex music routines developed by composer Rob Hubbard. It can be used as a looping device and used to create complex one-shot sounds. The control panel consists of 4 screens, the master controls, and 3 step designer screens for each of the SID channels. The demonstration will only use one channel of the SIDSynth. The master controls page contains controls for tempo, a preset loader with destination buttons so multiple presets can be loaded into different SID channels, a loop or trigger option, transport controls, a step control to adjust how many steps a sequence uses, buttons to bypass pulse width modulation and filter outputs, and a control to change the gate duration of the notes. Each of the SID step design pages are identical. At the top of the display shows the amount of steps set. This is highlighted by a yellow circle, which will be visible in the demonstration. A coloured circle highlights what step the sequencer is playing. The next set of controls are to control waveform for each step. The purple buttons are the step enable and disable switches, allowing the notes to pass through to the channel. The grey buttons enable and disable the keyboard tracking from the attached MIDI keyboard. This allows for only certain notes to be changed in pitch, leaving others at a fixed pitch. This function is effective for mixing percussion sounds with melodic passages. The step 1 pitch control is governed by the MIDI keyboard. The other 15 pitch controls use this first step as a reference pitch. When a new note is played on the keyboard, will automatically change, transposing the sequence into a new key. The green buttons enable and disable the glide function for each note. The last 2 rows of controls operate pulse width modulation and the filter cutoff for each step. following demonstration will show how the step sequencer can be used to create complex one-shot sounds.